Hello everyone. Today we are going to do multiple choice questions from the lesson A Triumph of Surgery written by James Herriot. This is from the book Footprints Without Feet. I hope you have understood the chapter till now. Let us go to the first question. Question 1. What was the name of Mrs. Pumphrey's dog? A. Ben, B. Tommy, C. Tricky, D. Johnny. So the answer is Tricky. He is one of the main characters of the story. Question 2. How did Tricky look? A. Very thin, B. Like a bloated sausage, C. Very smart, D. Always ready to run. Tricky looked like a bloated sausage because he was overfed by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Question 3. Tricky falls ill because he met an accident of bad weather, he did not get proper food to eat, his mistress overfed him. The answer is his mistress overfed him. Tricky was a victim of overindulgence. He was overfed by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Question 4. When Mr. Herriot took Tricky to his clinic, Mrs. Pumphrey was A. Happy, B. Excited, C. Wailing, D. Thanking the doctor. The answer is wailing because she could not stand Tricky going away from her to the surgery because she was very attached to Tricky. Question 5. The dogs at the clinic took no interest in Tricky because he was dull and boring, B. Not of their race, C. Of small size, D. More powerful than them. Answer is A. Dull and boring because Tricky was overweight and he was not able to run around like the other dogs. So that is why they did not pay any interest in Tricky. They did not take any interest in Tricky. Question 6. I think I know a cure for you. Who is I? Mrs. Pumphrey, B. Mrs. Pumphrey's husband, C. Mr. Herriot, D. Mrs. Pumphrey's servant. The answer is Mr. Herriot. Mr. James Herriot, who says this while he takes Tricky away to his surgery. Question 7. What did Mrs. Pumphrey think her dog is suffering from? A. Fever, B. Malnutrition, C. Stomach pain, D. Footsore. The answer is malnutrition. Mrs. Pumphrey thought Tricky was suffering from malnutrition and that is why he was very lazy and he did not want to go for walks. So what did she do? She started giving him extra meals along with the regular meals. Question 8. What was Tricky's real disease? A. Stomach pain, B. Vomiting due to overfeeding, C. Cholera, D. Fever. The answer is vomiting due to overfeeding. Mrs. Pumphrey overfed the dog Tricky and he started bloating like a sausage and that is why later he stopped eating even his favorite food. Question 9. I think I know a cure for you. What is the cure? Controlling Tricky's diet, giving him a surgery, giving injections, keeping under observation. The answer is controlling Tricky's diet. Dr. James Herriot, who was a very pragmatic and tactful doctor, did not go in for any surgery or medicinal treatment. So, by controlling Tricky's diet, Tricky became a hard muscled dog, a lithe, flexible, hard muscled dog, and could transform Tricky. Question 10. Mrs. Pumphrey was a very dash lady. A. Miser, B. Poor, C. Cruel, D. Rich. D. Rich. Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich and wealthy woman, and that is why she started overfeeding her dog, the love for dog, the concern for Tricky, which led Tricky into trouble. I hope you have jotted down all the answers. Thank you.